So you're thinking about remodeling your bathroom or kitchen, but curious about what kind of return you'll get? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what the typical bathroom and kitchen renovation will cost you, what the typical return on investment you can expect, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share 8 helpful tips you want to consider when embarking on a remodel project. And we're going to get into it right now. The cost to remodel a kitchen and bathroom in the Bay Area in 2023 can range widely depending on the various factors such as size of the bathroom or kitchen, the materials used, appliances, and the complexity of the project. However, according to HomeAdvisor, the average cost range of a mid-range bathroom remodel in the Bay Area is currently estimated between $10,000 to $30,000 with an average of $25,000. Now, this cost estimate is subject to change based on the specifics of your project. Now, the cost to remodel a kitchen in the Bay Area in 2023 can vary also widely depending on various factors such as the size of the kitchen. However, according to HomeAdvisor, the average cost range of a mid-range kitchen remodel in the Bay Area is currently estimated between $25,000 to $80,000 with an average cost of $77,000. Now, this cost estimate is also subject to change based on the specifics of your project. The cost of a kitchen remodel can be influenced by a number of factors such as materials used, the type of appliances installed, the layout of the kitchen, and the complexity of the project. You may also need to consider additional expenses such as permits, design fees, and labor costs. It's also always a good idea to get multiple quotes from licensed and reputable contractors in the area and compare them before starting any remodel project. You should also consider setting aside a contingency fund of 10 to 20% of the total project cost in case of any unexpected expenses or changes during the remodeling process. Additionally, keep in mind that prices may fluctuate depending on the availability of materials and current economic condition. And as we all know, COVID has affected our supply chain dramatically. Now let's talk about return. Now, the typical return on an investment for a bathroom or kitchen remodel in the Bay Area can vary depending on, of course, the specifics of the remodel and local real estate market. But according to Remodeling Magazine's 2023 Cost versus Value report, a mid-range major bathroom remodel in California can have a resale value of approximately $16,400, which is a 66.7% return on investment. And for a mid-range major kitchen remodel, the resale value can be approximately $22,900, which comes in at 85.7% return on investment. So it's important to keep in mind that these figures are just estimates, and actual returns on investment can vary depending on various factors such as the quality of the remodel, the local real estate market, and timing of the sale. So it's always a good idea to consult with your real estate professional before embarking on major remodeling projects and to get a good idea of how the remodel might impact the resale value of your home. Here are some good helpful tips to consider when you're remodeling your home. Tip number 1, set a budget. So before you begin any remodeling project, it's important to establish a budget and stick to it, and determine how much you can afford to spend and allocate funds accordingly. And then set aside the 10 to 20% contingency buffer for a cushion for unforeseen issues that may arise. Tip number 2, plan ahead. So plan out the project in advance, including the layout, materials, and design. This will help you to avoid costly changes later on in the process. Now, one common issue is when you're designing a kitchen, I can't believe I'm gonna tell you, my mother always does this on every kitchen remodel. She plans it out, but she doesn't plan it out ahead to where she has the dishwasher open up right next to one of the drawers. And so she can't open one of the drawers completely if one of the dishwasher or the oven is open. So make sure, again, you plan it out because ripping out cabinets to change that is costly. Number 3, choose durable and timeless materials. So select high quality materials that will stand up to everyday wear and tear, as well as appeal to most people and won't go out of style quickly. Now, this is a great way to ensure your investment goes a long way and improves your home's value for a long period of time. Number 4, don't over remodel for the neighborhood. It's easy to get carried away with high-end appliances, fixtures, and material, but remember that you don't want to overdo your home compared to the others in the neighborhood because the investment won't be recouped. Number 5, hire a professional contractor. So unless you have significant experience with remodeling, it's generally best to hire a professional contractor to handle the project. Look for a licensed and insured contractor with solid reputation in your area, and be sure to get multiple bids on a project. A different contractor range dramatically. And number 6, consider energy efficiency. So when choosing appliances and fixtures, look for energy efficient options that can help you save money on your utility bills. Buyers also will find this invaluable. Number 7, plan for storage. So incorporate ample storage options into the design of both the kitchen and the bathrooms. Now this will help to keep clutter at bay at maximum functionality of the space. Number 8, be flexible. Remember that unexpected issues can arise during the remodeling process, so it's important to remain flexible and open to making adjustments as needed. With a little patience and flexibility, you can create a beautiful and functional new space in your home. Well, there you have it, the cost to remodel your bathroom and kitchen, the return you can expect, and 8 helpful tips to consider when remodeling. If you found this video helpful, then click that like button and shoot me a comment in the comment section. And be sure to subscribe below or tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to hear about the current market here in the Tri-Valley. I'm Michelle Lewis of the Michelle Lewis Real Estate Team, and I get calls from people just like you looking to move to the Tri-Valley area, and I absolutely love it. So if you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. All of my information is in that description below, and I would love to help you make that smooth move to the Tri-Valley area.